Hello student, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am Veena Dikshit. Share my video with your friends. All the best for your exams. If the buffer solution consists of a mixture of weak base and its salt, what is there? Weak base and its salt. Okay, so this is buffer solution. So and the ratio of salt and this base is increased by 10 times. Ratio of salt and base is increased by 10 times. The pH of the solution will increase by 1 unit, increase by 10 unit, decrease or decrease by 1 unit, decrease by 10 unit. I selected decrease and this is increase by 1 unit. Why it is so? You should know that basic buffer, in case of basic buffer we will use formula pOH is equal to log of molar concentration of salt divided by molar concentration of base plus pKb. Now here I have given the answer, then I explained everything, that this salt or this ratio is 10 times. So means we remove this and we can say log 10 because it is 10 times. So pOH is equal to log 10 plus pKb. So pOH is equal to 1 because log 1 is equal to 0 and log 10 is equal to 1. So it is increased by 1. Means for a hurry you can do, but for exams you should know that when case 1 initially when salt and base ratio are equal, at that time ratio of salt by base is equal to 1. So log 1 is equal to 0. So pOH is equal to pKb at that time. Okay, now we know that pOH is equal to pKb, but at that time ratio is 1, but ratio is increased by 10 times. Here it will be clear to you why I put this 10 over here. So pOH is equal to, now we will put the value 10, log of 10 plus pKb, log 10 is equal to 1. So pOH is equal to 1 plus pKb. What does it mean? pOH of the solution is increased by 1 unit. Okay, only one. Here see pOH is equal to pKb. Here pOH is equal to 1 plus pKb. So what is the correct answer here? Increase by 1 unit. Okay, so buffer solution means here buffer solution is made by weak base and its salt, weak acid and its salt, like this buffer salts are formed. Buffer solution is formed. So weak base and its salt, ratio of salt and acid, it is increased by 10 times. Okay, so pOH solution will be increased by 1 unit. How do we have to perform? I told you 10 times means ratio. This ratio, instead of ratio you have to put 10. So pOH is equal to log 10 plus pKb. So here log 10 is equal to 1. They can give log 20, anything they can give. At that time you can put the value over here and you will find the answer. Okay, and this much time it will be bigger, increased.